I'm on the Ar Horqin grassland in North China's Inner Mongolia autonomous region. Today, I follow the nomadic families as they begin their seasonal migration. In order to protect the grassland from overgrazing, herders here take their livestock to summer pastures in mid-June every year. This year, more than 1,200 households of herders and about 128,000 heads of livestock join the long journey. It usually takes them 3 days to reach the summer pasture, about 90 kilometers away from the winter pasture. Sanchakt is one of the herders.
那8几年之后没，我们这个母亲那没有机器，就漏了车。现在家家户户有一个小车，有一个摩托，2个摩托，现在都传完去了。
The nomadic system of Ar Horqin grassland was formally recognized as a globally important agricultural heritage system by the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations. This is a supply station provided by the local government, where herders can enjoy meals, access medical supplies, and charge their devices. I asked the herders what it's like to move every year. They told me it's just part of life, like the seasons changing. On the herders' faces, I saw not just exhaustion, but more importantly, a sense of relief, because they are moving toward richer pastures, where the cattle and sheep will graze on fresher, more abundant feed.
我们在这搬来的目的是，还得生态呀，我们也还保护，生态也好，牧民的生活也好。